Everywhere I go, they call me Cash Madam. Say me fresh and clean, call me Cash Madam. Anything you know I got it. Cash Madam, baby, Cash Madam, Cash Madam. V money. Everywhere I go, they call me Cash Madam. Say me fresh and clean, call me Cash Madam.
Come and glow with G Glow, honey. Come and glow with me.
No, 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 no.
Original.
Yeah.
Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Original bad
man, a bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say no, 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 no.
Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say yeah,
bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
original bad man.
Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Body night.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I did this magic over here. Okay, so it's something very top trending in the black community of Instagram. Okay, so I don't remember the name of the girl that created this hairstyle. I'm going to give her some credit over here. So this girl did the popular Instabun-ish, but listen, I took it to another level, kind of, because this over here you can style it anyhow you want it. Okay, so basically what she did, she used her crochet hair to do this hairstyle. So yeah, I might do it with crochet hair, I think, but this over here took me 3 days. Okay, first of all I did with hot glue. Anyways, you're going to see the video. I did with hot glue 3 days ago. Yeah, 3 or 4, 3 days ago. And no, I'm a perfectionist, so I like my wig to be cool. So there was some white-ish showing, which is not my thing. What I used is a glue that was sent to me by Janet Collection, okay, in their wig kit. So that's what I used to do this. Okay, so this, you can remove the bangs and have only the bun. You can bring down the bun to a ponytail. You can bring down the whole ish over here and use it as your normal wig with this, obviously, because yeah, you don't want anybody to see that glue, honey. You don't want that ish. So basically that's it. Okay, I don't want to talk too much in my intros. Okay, the lashes are going to be down below with my discount code, so go and order it right now. Okay, so that's it. Just keep watching. Okay. Did this with the hot glue, but I didn't like the outcome, even though this is going to be covered. So I've started removing it already, and like, I mean, let me show you the back. I tried to remove as much as possible hot glue as I could, but like, I don't like the outcome, and I want to use this that was sent to me by Janet Collection, the black glue, for me to see how it goes. Okay, so I'm going to remove all this and start all over again with this. Yeah, anyway, I don't think it's a waste of time, because this took me about, it's not even 5 minutes, and I put everything. So like, I started removing it already because it wasn't as neat as I wanted it to be. I don't want to be worried every time I'm putting this wig stuff. I'll be worried about the white-ish, because it's not. And you see, it's very easy to take off. So like, all this is just about 10 minutes to finish everything. So yeah, you see, it's so easy. So that's what, okay, you see I put a lot of glue over here, and I pray I don't spoil the hair. So yeah, I'm going to redo the wig. I'm just going to do the same thing but with the black glue. Okay guys, so I've removed it, and I took another wig cap because I have many. I've never used this before. You see it's sealed. So oh, the smell is so harsh. Okay guys, so this is what I did. I think 2 days, no, today makes it the 3rd day I did this. I left it outside and now it's completely dried. So oh my god, I have to remove all the T-pins, all of them, one by one. So when I remove all of them, I will come back and test it out. Okay, so as you guys can see, the glue is not showing that much because it's black. That's why I wanted to do it this way. So if you have it in a ponytail, you won't see any whitish thing or any thread. I put this because of this, and yeah, it was late already. If you like this video and this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like, subscribe right there, click the bell button over there, and share. And we'll see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, so I have so much fun with this hairstyle. Oh my god. Listen, someone wrote to me why I don't do music extras in the ending of my videos. Listen, I'm tired of copyright-ish. Even like YouTube is becoming very sensitive with things these days. I don't know what you did to her, but YouTube is getting sensitive. Okay, so I'm not putting no music, okay? So if you want to see anything about me personally, go to my TikTok, ninja_guilty. Okay, and follow me guys right there. Right there, I used to post a lot of stuff because like quarantine is not over yet completely, so yeah. Oh, before I forget, sorry, this here is going to be down below also from the company that sent it to me. I'm going to also leave a video I did with this hair. So this is less than a pack of this wig that I did. Okay, so this is less than one pack. It's just very small amount. Okay, so that's it.